In this video, we're diving into how to manage travel preferences in Navan, one of the top software solutions for streamlining corporate travel. If you're looking for a way to easily customize your travel experience, whether you're planning a business trip or coordinating travel for a team, you're in the right place. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also be revealing how you can get an exclusive extended free trial of Navan, something you don't want to miss. Navan is a user-friendly platform that helps businesses efficiently manage their travel logistics. Whether you're handling your own bookings or managing a team's travel, Navan allows you to tailor every trip to individual preferences, making the process smoother and more efficient. But how exactly do you manage travel preferences? When you first sign in, Navan offers an easy-to-use dashboard where you can set up your personalized travel preferences. This allows you to choose things like preferred airlines, hotel types, and even transportation methods, ensuring that your travel experience aligns with your needs every time. No more sifting through endless options to find the best fit. Navan's preference settings are particularly helpful if you travel frequently, as they allow you to save time. Once your preferences are set, Navan uses them to suggest and prioritize options for your bookings. Whether it's seat selection on flights or room preferences at hotels, this tool automatically filters out the irrelevant choices, saving you from having to make those decisions every time. If you're managing a corporate travel program, Navan also lets you customize preferences on a team-wide basis. You can set travel rules and guidelines for your employees, making it easier to stay within budget while still ensuring that their personal preferences are met. For example, if one employee prefers window seats or another prefers extra legroom, you can set these preferences once and Navan will remember them for future trips. It's a huge time saver for both individuals and businesses. You can also create multiple profiles for different travelers, allowing you to store various preferences, frequent flyer numbers, and other details. This makes managing travel for large teams a lot more efficient and reduces the risk of mistakes. One of the best features of Navan is its integration with multiple travel providers. So, when you manage your travel preferences, the software works seamlessly with your preferred airlines, hotel chains, and car rental services, pulling in the best options for you automatically. The flexibility Navan offers is what truly sets it apart from other travel management software. So, how can you get started? It's simple. Head to the link below to sign up and start using Navan for free, along with some exclusive bonuses you won't find anywhere else. By setting up your travel preferences, you can instantly improve the way you book and manage travel. Remember, managing travel preferences in Navan not only saves time but also ensures your trips are customized to your liking or your company's policies. Whether you're booking personal travel or managing a whole team, Navan makes the entire process smoother and more efficient. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive extended free trial we've got for you. Just click the link below to get started. Thanks for watching and happy travels.